Okay, guys, so we have a super special guest in our office today, Noor Stars, who is somebody who, although she's super young, I look up to her so much.
Oh, thank
she's
you.
She's so strong.
Hi, guys. Thank you.
And so incredible. She has such an amazing story. I learned about her a couple years ago, and when I learned about you, I just kind of became a little bit like infatuated with your story, and then even hearing some of it today, I feel like I learned more.
Thank you so much. It was nice being here.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, we created this look. You're gonna see it now, but I enjoyed it so much. We talked about so many things.
Oh my god, I'm not letting go of you.
Get ready.
We're gonna show you guys really quickly how we got this look. Make sure you guys check it down below. We're also gonna put all the products just in case you guys are wondering how we did this. I went ahead and I'm just shaving a little bit of the baby hairs off of Noor's face. This is so that I get a really smooth makeup application.
Yeah.
It also helps me remove dead skin. And you've done this before, right?
Yeah, I've tried it.
And you love it?
I love it, yes.
The best. And your hair doesn't grow back
and
thick,
now
right?
she's gonna teach me how to do it.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't grow back like thick or anything.
Not at all. The trick is to shave dry. I love to actually shave the brows more than tweeze.
Yeah.
Because once you tweeze, your hairs can take up to 7 weeks to grow back. And this is a Korean razor. This is going to change your life.
Yeah.
And you can just see how it relax your lip.
I don't know how to relax my lip.
Whenever I ask Olya to relax her lip, she does this.
Yeah,
and I'm trying to put makeup on her, and I'm like, what happened?
I don't know.
Anything? Can I move here or no?
Yeah, you can. You can't do anything, Huda, huh?
Really?
Yeah.
Don't tell me that.
Anything. Just my eyebrows, you know?
No. I figured the brows, actually, you should always... I personally think people have a style with their brows. Even if people think, oh, it's not good, they should keep it. Mm-hmm. But you actually have amazing brows. But I've had people who've come in and wanted to change my brows. And I was like, no. This is how I want them. Yeah, oh, yeah. They want to make them thinner. And I'm like, no.
No.
Yeah.
I don't know. I love my eyebrows.
I love your eyebrows.
They're good. They look good on my face. It's so weird when I say that to my friends.
I like them a lot.
They're like, don't say I love that about myself. And I'm like,
why? Oh my god.
If you love something about yourself, you should say it.
See, there's a problem. And I have this problem. When people give me compliments, I'm always like, oh, when they're like, oh, you look pretty, I'm like, I spent forever on my makeup.
Yeah.
And it's like, I want to change that.
Yeah. You like say, oh, I love this about myself.
And accept it.
Because that's how you're gonna like feel more confident and
what's wrong
love
with that,
yourself
by the way?
more.
What's wrong with
Nothing.
that? Nothing is wrong with that.
And that's why, like, we were talking yesterday about it. I was looking at one of my pictures. I'm like, oh, I look good in this picture.
Yes.
And then my friend was like, I can't believe you just said that about yourself.
I love
like,
that you did that.
If I don't say it about myself, then who's gonna say it?
And then when you say it and you feel it,
you believe it.
Yes.
Right?
And that's the most important thing. I would teach my daughter that. Why am I not doing that?
You should do it.
Do you know what I mean? Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. What's your favorite makeup style?
I love a liner and good contour. For me, contour is everything.
Yeah.
Do you like this?
I like it.
Do you want me to do it for you?
Do it.
You want to do it? Okay. Yeah. It's more dramatic.
Let's have matching makeup.
Yes, let's do that.
Yeah.
You just bought your family a house?
Yeah.
Congratulations. That's such a huge deal.
Oh my god, it was my dream.
Oh my god.
Like my entire
so huge.
life, Huda, my dream was to have a place that I can call home. I remember in 1 year, I moved 12 times. Like, can you imagine moving 12 times? Every month, you're in a different place. So to me, I used to tell my mom, oh my god, mom, when's the day that we have a keys and we can call it, it's our home. This is the keys for our home. That was the happiest day of my life, signing that paper.
Oh my god, you're gonna make me cry. You're 22 and you did that?
Yeah, I'm 22.
How did you get into YouTube? Because like that's kind of where you like put a lot of your passion, you know? And like obviously I know you said you had another career like opportunity before and then you changed.
Yes, basically I was straight A student and everyone...
Typical Iraqi.
Yeah, exactly. And my mom, everyone, like she's Iraqi mother, so she's like, you're gonna become a doctor.
It's so Iraqi.
So I'm like,
That's so
I don't want to
Iraqi.
become a doctor. And like my teachers, they're like, oh, you have good grades, why not? You can get scholarship, you can do it. And my heart, like at that time, I already started YouTube. And I wanted to do it and focus on it, because I love creating videos. So I was like, no, I'm just gonna follow my heart and my passion. And thank God, like now, I don't regret it at all.
And I'm sure your mom is happy now too.
She's so happy and she trusts me with everything. Now, if I tell her I'm gonna do this project, she's like, I trust you, do it.
Do you know it's so funny? I feel like, my parents gave me a hard time too when I first started because they're like, they didn't understand.
Yeah, it's new.
It's new.
But then when they see the result and they see you happy, they're like, okay, I trust you now. Go for it.
My daughter's name is Noor.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, she
know.
spells it with a U though. She's my one. We've thought about having more kids, but like, you know, she's the first.
Yeah. The first is...
I'm always going to prefer her. I know that sounds terrible, but my mom told me she prefers Adia.
You're going to become friends with her. Like, me and mom were friends, you know?
Yeah.
So that's why, and I love it. Like, I love being like...
She experiences everything with you for the first time, and especially if she was a single mom, you were like, you know, with her most of the time.
I love you, Mom. I love you so much. I know she's going to watch this video, and she loves you so much. So she said, tell her I say hi. I love her.
We're going to have to give her some products, too. Does she like makeup?
She's in love with makeup.
I'm just going to quickly click back Noor's hair because she has a lot of hair. I just want to make sure it doesn't get in the way. Okay, cool.
Dun, dun, dun.
Very Iraqi hair.
Thank you.
Iraqi hair. You know, I don't really know that many Iraqis. Like, I did when I was young, but not really so much anymore.
Even in the West, we don't have a lot of Iraqis or Middle Eastern women representing the Middle East.
Yeah, not at all.
You know, we don't have that. Even like in acting careers or like as an artist, you know? Where is the women that can represent us?
Doesn't that drive you crazy sometimes?
It does.
It drives me crazy
We have a lot of culture here. So many countries.
Yeah.
And like Iraq, Syria, Morocco, Egypt, Saudi Arabia. A lot of countries, a lot of culture.
There's a lot of history, too.
A lot of history. And then when you look at the media, we don't have a lot of people representing us.
That was really important for me when I started, because there was times where I would just, you know, I got really busy with work, and I got like, gosh, like, you know, because I'm a mom, I was like, maybe I should just retire. Yeah. And I was like, I can't retire because I have too much of responsibility. I have responsibility to like the young women. I have responsibility to, you know, Arab women.
A lot of Arab women, they look at you and you're inspiration to them.
Really?
And you motivate
them. Do they know me?
Yeah.
Because I don't know if they know me, you know, because I don't really do that many Arabic things.
What do you mean, Huda? A lot of people knows you and they know how creative you are. And
really?
Yeah.
Oh, that makes me so happy. That makes me so happy.
Like, really?
Because I'm in a bubble most of the time.
You are a Middle Eastern woman, you know, so a lot of women, and we need that. Yeah. When we need someone to look up to and be like, oh my God.
Well, thank you to you too, you know, for working so hard, because honestly, like, I don't think people realize how hard it is to be an influencer. You have to deal with a lot of stuff too.
Oh my God.
I'm sure you deal with a lot of things sometimes.
Yeah. But you know, when you love what you do, it's nice. Like,
yeah.
That's the key for life. Do what you love. When you do what you love, that's when you don't count hours, you don't count anything, but also you succeed a lot.
It's not work then.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not work. I worked in Fairlane Mall for a little while.
By the way, she lived in my city. I'm from Michigan, guys. So she lived in my city, and now we're talking about streets. Yeah. And I live on this and that street.
Wait, you're going to see my dad when you go back, because my dad's there right now.
I'm going to meet her dad.
He's going to take you out. He's like totally going to take you out.
I'm so excited for it.
My dad is really going to, my parents are going to be really excited.
We started talking about restaurants, even restaurants. Like, oh, we know this restaurant, we ate this
Did you remember Shatila? Were you there when Shatila was there?
It's still there.
It's still there?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Shatila, we give you a shout out.
Oh my God, it's so good.
So good. You know what I love about Iraqi women specifically? Iraqi women are so strong.
They are very...
Because
they're the strongest.
They've been through a lot, like through the years.
Yeah.
So they're very strong. Like my mom, a lot of people ask me who's your role model or your idol. And I always tell them my mom, but it's not because of like the usual answer. Because my mom, she's a woman on a wheelchair with 3 kids, and she traveled to 3 different countries as a refugee.
On the wheelchair?
On the wheelchair.
So she's on the wheelchair when you were born?
Yeah. I always ask her, why didn't you give up? She's like, I can't give up. I have kids, I have responsibilities, I want them to get the best education. I don't have a choice. I need to be strong. And that's why even like when I was sick, she called me. She told me, you have to be strong. You're in a different country. She gives me strength, yes.
Yeah. So you guys are like best friends?
Yeah, we are. We're very, very close.
I want to be really close to my daughter.
Wait till she grow up more, and you're gonna see how much like you...
Did you lie to your mom?
No.
Never?
Never. Even if I like a guy.
On camera. See, Noor won't tell me if she likes a boy, and I really want to know.
Really?
I really want to know. Because I want to feel, you know, I felt like I could never tell my mom. So I want that connection with Noor.
For me, with my mom, we're different. She told me when I started growing up, she's like, look, Noor, we're best friend. You can't tell me anything. Please come to me and tell me anything. I'm your friend. Don't like be scared or anything. And that really helped me a lot. So now I go to her with everything, and I know she's gonna accept me and she's gonna give me the best advice.
What's your nickname?
My name is Noor. So
what's your nickname though? Is it
Nanusha?
Nanusha! Oh, Nanusha! So my daughter, we call her Nunu.
Oh, Nunu. Okay, yeah.
What's your other nicknames?
Nanusha, Nunu, Nuna.
Nuna. She go by Nuna too.
Nuna. Nunu.
I love the name Noor. So my mom and my husband named Noor. So we weren't sure what to name. You know, it's your first child. You obviously want to give them the best name. And I love the name Noor. Yeah. But every Noor I knew was like a very strong woman. So that's especially, I was like, I want her to be a strong woman. Because every Noor I knew was like, they weren't delicate women. And that's why I was like, oh, I want her to be like a really strong woman. So my mom was like, please name her Noor, because she begged my brother, will you please name your daughter Noor? And he didn't. And so she was asking him, and I was like, sure, mommy, I'll do it. And Chris was like, yes, I love the name Noor. And Noor Huda means guiding light.
Yes. Your daughter's name is Noor Huda?
No, Noor. But together we're Noor and Huda.
Yeah.
Together we're Noor and Huda. So I thought that was like cute.
Huda is a very nice name as well.
Really?
And thank you for using it also for your brand.
You know,
because it's Arabic name, it's like specifically Iraqi name, you know.
It's a very Iraqi.
Very, very, very Iraqi.
So I'll tell you a story about my name.
Yeah.
When I was young, I grew up in Tennessee. I grew up in like the South, and there was like no Arabs, no like African Americans.
Yeah.
There was like 2 Koreans who were like adopted, and they had like normal names. And so like I was so embarrassed of my name, and I remember people used to make fun of it, and they used to like not be able to pronounce it. So then I changed my name to Heidi. For so many years I went by Heidi. And then I really like hated that. Like I felt like that wasn't me. I felt like even though it's my middle name, I was like, this is not me.
See, bullying affects you sometimes too much.
Yeah, I wish like I would have just went by Huda then, but I just was like so uncomfortable with my name, and I was already like, I was like the brownest person in my school, and there were so many things where people were like, why are you so weird? And I was like, I don't know, why am I so weird? And I was like, I just want to be a normal person.
It's like,
and that obviously didn't make me normal. I'm still weird.
Which is, let me tell you something.
I love it now.
Being weird, being different,
love it now.
It's what makes you unique.
So do you know I only hire weirdos?
You're not unique.
I only hire people who have something weird about them, because then I feel like, oh man, yeah, I can like hang out with this person and I can chill with them for hours.
And that's what makes them unique, Huda.
Yeah.
If you're not weird, you're not different, you're not unique.
Yeah.
What makes you unique? You're just a copy of another person.
Exactly.
And you don't want to
it's hard to embrace it.
It's hard, but when you tell people like embrace your weird, like you being weird or your weirdness, and then they see other people being in the social media
being weird.
They're like, oh, it's okay because she's being
I can
himself,
be weird.
You know, I can
exactly.
be me.
It's not about being something you're not. It's about being who you are.
Me, exactly.
Yeah, and that's so powerful. What is your goal? What do you hope to achieve with your YouTube channel?
Well, for my YouTube channel, first
it's
of all,
funny too.
Yeah,
it's fun.
I want to entertain people, of course, but I also have a message which is for me. I love supporting other women.
Yeah, that's so cool.
You know,
that's so cool
because we live in a society where a lot of women tear each other because I don't know why they feel they're in competition or something. I don't know, but we're not in competition. Yeah. Everyone is different and unique in their own way, and there's something so special about them.
Everybody brings something.
Like I'm sure there's something special about Huda, about me.
Yeah.
You know, about everyone here. That's a message that I wanna share it with the world forever till my last day on this earth. Is like women should support each other. I support all women, and we should
so great.
Like encourage each other. I love makeup.
Me too.
It's an art.
It is.
We do it because we love it, and we love like creating art on our faces. Not because we want to look certain way for someone. No,
not for someone. Sometimes just for yourself.
For myself.
Yeah,
I want to look at myself and be like, oh, this is a new look for me.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I can put like green eyeshadow.
100%.
The day after I can use like pink eyeshadow. You know, it's changing.
I
miss you so much.
Awkward.
Guys, can I tell you? I was sick. I was in the hospital, huh?
I'm gonna get on
So I was in the hospital. Every other day she's sending me a message. Like
so
you
nice.
texted me more than my best friend texted me. And she sent me an amazing bouquet of flower.
Oh, it's for me and Huda.
Oh my god.
I
Yeah, I know.
I also think that was for me.
I know.
Yeah.
But the thing is, like your messages, I pray for you. I hope you're feeling okay.
You're so
Do you
sweet.
need anything? Are you okay?
Because you're here in Dubai,
oh my
so I have
god.
to take care of you.
But you like a lot of
of
people, they
course.
send you a message where they're saying, I hope you're feeling better, right?
Aw.
But your messages shows
You're
that
so
you're a
sweet.
caring person.
You're so sweet.
Do you need
She is.
anything? Please, if you need
Thank
anything,
you.
let me know.
We're
I'm
your
here.
family, like,
You know.
literally, if you
Well,
need
we
anything,
said
tell me,
that.
of course.
We're sisters now in Dubai.
No,
Yeah, you have sisters in
really.
Dubai.
You know, you have another sister now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So you guys, you used
little
to be
sister.
3.
Yay!
I don't feel like you're a little
I'm
sister
the
though.
4th sister.
You're so cute.
I don't feel like you're a little sister though. You're so
Oh my
wise.
God.
Who's your favorite beauty blogger?
Well, I like this beauty blogger. She's so cool, beautiful, and talented. She's inspiring.
What's her name?
And her name is Huda Beauty.
Oh
you
no!
know?
You're so cute. I was like, ooh, I want to know who she is. No, but I
Yeah.
feel like I'm just starting out. there
Huda,
on
I
YouTube.
love you. That's why I am here.
sweet.
Like
Thank
honestly,
you.
I told my manager we have a lot of meetings, but I
Yeah.
told him Huda is priority to me.
Oh, I love you.
Because I love her and I love Mona and I want to meet them. As
Oh, I love you.
you know.
You're so sweet. Thank you, Noor, for letting this happen.
Yeah,
You're
thank
so
you.
sweet.
Thank
You're
you.
so sweet. You're so pretty.
Look at them shouting so pretty from behind the scenes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, guys, guys, I know.
I love your confidence, honestly. Like,
Thank
I really
you.
I want my daughter to be like that, you know?
Thank you so much. A lot of people look at it and be like, oh my god, why is she saying that? No, you have to do this to yourself. You have to like talk to yourself positive and tell yourself, I look beautiful, I look good, my eyebrows are nice. Compliment yourself, because that's how you gain
Why
a lot
don't
of
we do
confidence. I don't know. Maybe
How did you get in the habit of doing that?
I don't know. It just happened. I needed to tell
Love
that
it.
to myself, because
I love it.
I don't know. And we live in a society where when you say it like that, they judge you basically. Like, oh my god, why are you doing? Like, it's a weird thing. No, it's not. It's the normal.
It's like she's so full of herself. But yeah.
You're not.
Why not?
You
know?
love yourself.
But why not be full of yourself, though? Like, and that way you can also help others be full of themselves.
And
Like,
if you don't love yourself
what's
first,
wrong with that?
I don't know. And if you don't love yourself, you can't love other people.
Yeah.
If you don't like
100%.
yourself, you can't like other people. And that's why sometimes you go certain places or you see certain, specifically girls, and they're so beautiful, but then they do problems or they're jealous from another girl, and I'm like, why? You're so amazing, you look great, because they don't love themselves enough.
Do you think, like, the
You
fact
know?
that you've been through all these things, you just see the important things in life? Like, you don't see the bullshit.
Yeah,
Like, I feel like you don't see the bullshit. You just see, like, the important
that's why
things.
I feel I'm older than my age.
Well,
Like, I still have this personality where I'm
100%.
so fun. I do crazy things and I vlog about crazy things, and I'm just, this is me, part of me, but I also have the side. I feel like this is the first time that I showed that much of my serious side on your video.
Oh, really?
Because I'm so comfortable talking to you.
God.
But I have like this side where I feel like way older than my real age. So it's these two parts that makes Noor, basically.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
But that's so
thank you.
great, you know, because, like, I'm sure a lot of people don't know that,
Thank you.
you know, and I'm sure a lot of people would, like, love and respect that and also need to see it, you know, also.
Thank you.
Because I think it's, like, really interesting when you see, like, what makes this whole person. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think she looks super beautiful.
I
and
love
It
it.
looks really natural.
Yes, that's what I love. I love very natural makeup, focus on the skin, contour, and then lashes and eyeliner. And that's what we created here.
But
Thank
to
you
be
so
honest,
much.
you have such great features.
Aw.
So we didn't really need to contour too much. She has amazing cheekbones. So we really just kind of played lightly with contour. It wasn't really too much. So, you know, this is the final look.
Thank you so much. I
My
enjoyed this
baby.
video. Like this video,
You're my
guys.
baby.
If you want us to create more content,
Yes!
more videos,
We'll
please
do
like
more.
it. And tell us, what do you want us to create?
Do you want us to do some things on Instagram too?
We're both Iraqis, we're both Middle Eastern, but we live like in the West, in the United States.
Been through a lot.
We have so much in
You've
common.
been through a lot too.
Yeah.
Like a lot.
You
Your
too.
story
I
is
know
so
you
amazing.
too. So
Different
tell us what you like, and subscribe to the channel, please.
Yes.
Check my video. Come
Yes.
now, come to my channel.
Check out Noor. She's amazing. She's beautiful inside out. She's just as
Aw.
beautiful on the inside too.
Thank you.
Oh, she's such a cutie.
I love
pie.
her.
Aw.
I really do love
Okay, I'm
Huda.
taking you with me. I'm gonna like pick you up and take you with me. All right, we'll see
Thank
you
you
guys later.
for having me.
Bye, guys.
Thank
for
you.
being
Thank you so
here.
much. Oh, sorry.
You're so sweet.
I can't believe we're done.
I know. Thank you for being here. Really.